Hello everyone, and welcome back to a brand new video. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to make images move in CapCut PC. First of all, make sure that your CapCut is opened. The same goes for your image is added to your timeline. Now, how can we make this image move in our timeline? This process is very easy and simple, so focus with me. First, hover and select the image. Go here and make sure that it is on video and the basic option. Go ahead and go for transform and simply click on this diamond icon. Make sure that your frame is basically on the timeline and basically on the time when you want the image to start moving. For example, I would like it to start moving right here. And then I'm going to click on add keyframe, and now I'm going to move a little bit the keyframe, and I'm going to move the image to somewhere else. So I'm going to move it up a little bit, and as you can see, a new keyframe has been created. And if I wanted to move it down, I will just move the frame a little bit, just like this, and another keyframe has been created. Now let's view the image how it looks now, and as you can see, it will move up and down with the keyframes that we have created. And that's simply it. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next video.